Hello students, I am Cynthia from GEMS Polytechnic College. We are in lecture 29, part 1. Our subject is estimating and costing and subject code is 1615503. Okay, so we are solving the long wall short wall method problems. So using that how we can calculate the quantity. Okay, so that is the topic we are going through. So in this lecture we are going to see another new problem based on long wall short wall method. Okay. So the content of the lecture. So content of the lecture is long wall short wall method. That is the problem based on problem we are going to solve using long wall short wall method. So here is a problem on long wall short wall method. Okay. So figure shows the plan of a building and section of a wall. So calculate the quantities of items of work below and enter them in standard measurement sheet with the description of each item. Use long wall and short wall method. Okay, so this is the question given. So using the plan and the section, we need to calculate the quantities of items of work, and after that we need to enter into the measurement sheet. So this is the plan of our building. So we have three rooms: kitchen, bedroom, and living room. Okay. So kitchen size is 3 meter by 4 meter. Then bedroom size is 3.5 meter by 4 meter. Then the living room size is 4 meter by 3.5 meter. Okay. Then we have six windows here. Okay. Then the window, door, and size of door and window frame, everything is given in question. Okay. It is the plan of a building. The next one, this is the section of the building. Okay, we have seen in the previous image, we have seen the plan of the building. So this is the section of the building. Okay, so here we have a PCC bed, then UCR masonry, that footings, okay, then mosaic flooring, then lintel, then RCC slab. Okay, so every dimensions are given using section. Okay, DPC, etc. So okay, now we are going to solve the problem sum. Okay, so first, what we are going to calculate, we are going to calculate the earthwork in excavation. Okay, so before that we need to just draw the central line plan. We are going to draw the center line plan. Okay, the same, the outline diagram and center line, everything is same. Center line plan means it will come like it will have by adding the wall thickness we will draw. Okay, so that is the concept. So this is the plan of the building. So we need to the same thing. Okay, in the previous lectures we have seen, right. So this portion we are taking as L1 and this one as L2. Then these portions as S1 and S2. Okay, so these are the things we have we will usually do, right. So we will split like L1, L2, S1 and S2, long wall, short wall. Based on the plan we will split. Okay, so we need to add the wall thicknesses up. Okay, so in the plan, the first room, kitchen room dimension is 3. Okay, so 3 by 4 meter. So for every room it is just simple. The wall thickness is 0.3. So for everywhere we are just adding a wall thicknesses. Okay, so 3.23. Here 4 I said na. So this dimension is S1 is 4.23. Okay, then for here 3.73. We are just adding the wall thicknesses. Okay, 0.23 for everywhere. So then for here 4.23. Okay, using the dimensions we just add. Now we are going to calculate the value of the same procedure. We are just calculating the value of L1, L2, S1 and S2. Okay, for long wall, short wall. So L1 equal to, how we will find, we will just add everything, but we will in the previous sums we doesn't added the wall thicknesses. So we will just put like 0.3 divided by 2, like that we will do, right? So here we have we drawn the central line plan. Okay, so using that we are going to solve for this. Okay, the same thing. Okay, horizontal wall is long wall and vertical wall is short wall. Okay, so L1. So L1 means we will just add. Okay, L1 means from the left to the right. So what are the thickness? What are the dimensions there? 3.23 plus 3.73. So what will we get? 6.96. There are two sides, right? So n equal to 2. Then for L2, okay. So L2, what are the dimensions? 4.23. But we have only one side, so n equal to 1. Then for S1, so S1 equal to 4.23. We have three walls, right? Three sides. Walls, not three sides. So n equal to 3. Then for S2, S2 we have two sides, so 3.73, two numbers. Okay, so these are the dimensions. Okay, these are the length we found for long wall and short wall. Okay, so using this we are going to find out the excavation. Okay, so first one is excavation. Excavation in soft muram. Okay, in foundation. So this is the first one for long wall and short wall. Okay, so we will just write. First we are going to find for long wall. Okay, so for we are going to find for long wall. So n, length, breadth, depth and quantity. Okay, so for long wall, first one, for L1 we are going to find. So L equal to, how will you find? L equal to L1 plus the width of an item. Okay, width of the item, it is given in the question 1000. Okay, so we are taking 1 meter. Okay, 1.0. So L will be what? L1 is we have found as 6.96. So 7.96 is the length. Then N is we have already two sides, so 2. Then the breadth. Breadth is 1. Then depth. Depth is 1.2, which is given in the question. Okay. Then quantity. By multiplying everything, we will get 19.10 meter cube for L1. So same procedure for L2 also. Okay. So L2 is what will we get? 1. N is 1. Then 5.23. 1.2, the quantity will be 6.276. Okay, then for S1 and S2 for short wall. S1, okay, S1 means we will subtract. Okay, so S1 is 4.23, so 4.23 minus 1. Okay, the width of an item minus, we will minus, right? So what will we get? 3.23, then breadth is 1 and 1.2, so we will get 11.62. Then for S2, so S2 is the same similar type, 2.73. That is S2 minus the width of an item. Okay, 1.1. Then here also the breadth is 1. Then 1.2 is the depth. And the quantity is 6.5. Okay, so the overall quantity of excavation in soft muram, okay, equal to, which is total quantity of excavation equal to 43.56 meters square. This is the first case we have found. Okay, then the second one. So the second one is what we are going to find for PCC in PCC bed below foundation. Okay, so this is the thing we already we have in the previous sums we didn't see that. So PCC bed below foundation. So it is just simple. It is nothing to worry. So in the diagram we have PCC bed. Okay, so in the section diagram you can see. So this is the PCC bed. So the dimension is what? First is the width. Okay, so the width is what? 1.0. Then the height or thickness is which is everything is in section. You just see. Okay, 0.15. So this is called PCC bed below foundation. Okay, so we are going to solve the same procedure. Okay, so first we are going to find for long wall. So first we are going to find for long wall. So L equal to L1 plus the width of an item 1.0. Okay. So what will we get? L1 is 6.96 plus 1, so 7.96. Then for length of L2 plus 1.0. So what will we get? 5.23. The same procedure. Okay. You just see, you can understand. So for short wall. So short wall, how will you find? Length equal to S1 minus 1.0. So we will get 3.23. So similarly for S2 also. Okay. So now we are going to calculate the quantity. Okay. So N, L, breadth, depth and quantity. Okay. So for L1, first one for L1. So first case, N equal to 2. The same thing, okay. For L1, there are two sides, so 2. For L2, there are only one side because we have already taken. So we can, the L2 is only one side, then which come under L1 portion. So we are taking L2 as 1. Then for short wall also, we have three sides. So S1 case we have three sides, S2 case we have two sides. So based on that only we are just putting, okay. So to length is we are find now 7.96. Then the breadth is for everything. The breadth will be 1. Then the depth will be 1.2. The same thing. Okay. So using that L2 and S1 and S2. Okay, the same thing. So 1, 3, 2. So that then the length we have found 5.23, 3.23, then 2.73. Okay, then the breadth is same, then the depth is same. Okay, because finding for PCC only. Okay, so by multiplying everything, we will get the quantity like 2.3, then 0.7, then 1.4. Okay, so using these are the quantities of PCC bed below foundation. Okay, by adding everything we will get the total quantity. So total quantity of PCC bed below foundation equal to 5.445 meter cube. Okay, so this is the total quantity. So we have found for PCC bed below foundation using the section we have just found. Okay, next one. So the third one, okay. So third one is what we are going to find. We are going to find for UCR masonry. Okay. So third thing we are going to find for third one UCR masonry in foundation. UCR masonry in foundation. Okay. So first we are going to find for first step or first footing, then second footing, then for plinth footing. Long wall, short wall we need to find. Okay. So we will just solve. For first footing, I will solve. Then for second footing, you just see. Okay. So for first footing, okay. So first footing, I will just first draw the diagram. Okay. Section diagram. Okay. So first dimension is 0.75. Then the next one is 0.6. Then the third one. Okay. Third one is 0.75, 0.6. Then the third one is 0.45. Then the height for everything, height. Okay, so first one is what 0.4, then for second footing 0.55, then for third one 0.85. Okay, so these are the dimensions. Okay, these are the breadth and height which is given in the question. Okay, so first footing for long wall we need to find. Okay, so for long wall, so long wall equal to what will be fine? L length equal to L1 plus the width of an item. So 0.75. L1 is given in the question, so we will get 7.71. Okay, so here the breadth will be equal to B equal to 0.75, then height will be equal to 0.4. So quantity equal to 4.626 meter cube. So this is for long wall L1. Okay, so for L2, so length equal to how will you get? L2 plus 0.75. So equal to what will we get? We will get 4.98. Then the breadth is 0.75. Then the height is 0.4. So we need to calculate the quantity. So quantity is 1.49. We will get for L2. Then for short wall. Okay. So short wall. So for short wall, what will we get? Short wall equal to length equal to S1 minus the 0.75. Okay. So we will get 3.48. Okay. So the breadth will be of the same 0.75, 0.4. So we will get the quantity 3.13. Okay. Then for S2 also the same thing, S2 minus 0.75. Okay. So what will we get? We will get the value as 2.9, then a breadth, then the height. So we will get the quantity 1.788. So okay. So these are the dimensions of first footing. Okay. So the same procedure we are going to find for second step, second footing, that is then for plinth footing. Okay. So after that we after adding the first footing long wall short wall, then the second footing long wall short wall, then the third footing long wall short wall quantity. After adding every quantity, we will get the total quantity or net quantity equal to 37.59 meter cube. Okay, so we will get this answer. Okay, by calculating this. This is a procedure to do. Okay, so next one. So three things we have seen in this lecture. Okay, so after calculating everything, we need to enter every details in the measurement sheet here. Okay, length, breadth, depth and quantity we need to enter here. So that's it for this session. So we have seen problems based on long wall short wall method. Okay, the first three portion we have seen in this lecture. So in the next coming lecture we are going to solve the next three parts. Okay, for how we can calculate the DPZ and BVM masonry, then mosaic tile flooring. Okay, so these are the things we are going to see in the next lecture. So these are the books we need to refer for this subject. So that's it for this lecture. Okay, lecture 29, part 1. We have completed. So in the next lecture, we will continue with the same question, other three parts. Okay, other three parts we will see in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.